Welcome back to Overheat, Skoda Motorhome 2026, a vision of comfort and intelligent function. External design will be adjusted for aerodynamics to improve fuel economy and reduce wind noise while driving. Large, well-integrated windows will allow for expansive views from within. Sliding side doors will be the primary means of accessing the living space. When a foldable awning is expertly integrated into the body of the vehicle, it provides instant outdoor protection. The headlights and taillights are all LED, and will have a recognizable Skoda look. There will be a convenient outdoor storage space large enough to accommodate camping equipment. Interior, the ergonomic cockpit will have a large touchscreen infotainment panel. The driver's and passenger's seats will completely rotate to become a part of the living space when the car is parked. Garden, a 2-burner induction stove, a fold-out sink, and an efficient compressor refrigerator. There will be enough space to keep cookware and groceries. The main bed will be made comfy, albeit there can be a fixed bed in the back. The mattress will be constructed from premium materials to ensure your comfort while you sleep. The Volkswagen Group's tried-and true TDI diesel engine will be the primary choice, though a more powerful TSI gasoline engine or perhaps a mild hybrid, a plug-in hybrid variant for better economy, lower emissions may also be an option. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS driving will be safer and simpler with safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and blind spot recognition. Battery life: a sizable recreational battery with an integrated solar panel on the roof that is probably lithium-ion. Elastic storage nets, hanging cabinets with locking mechanisms, adjustable multi-purpose sections, and hidden drawers under the floor will all be there. Digital control panel. This intuitive touchscreen control panel can be used to operate any motorhome equipment. Charging. There are plenty of USB-C connectors and AC outlets for charging electronic devices. Onboard Wi-Fi is an alternative to Wi-Fi hotspots for reliable internet connection.